In this video, we'll explore how to check your domain's DNS records using whatsmydns.net. It's a simple yet super helpful way to make sure your records are set up and propagated correctly across servers worldwide. Domain propagation is basically the process of updating DNS records globally after you've made changes. By performing a quick DNS lookup, you'll spot any green check marks, which means things are working perfectly, or red X's, which might indicate no records have propagated yet, or that there's a connection issue. Here's what we'll cover: how to find your DNS records in Wix, how to use whatsmydns.net to verify your connection, and how to compare the results to ensure everything is set up properly. Let's dive in. First, let's learn how to locate your DNS records. Go to Domains in your Wix account. Click the Domain Actions icon next to your domain. Then select Manage DNS Records. Now decide which records you want to check: name servers, NS for short, A record, or CNAME record. We're not diving into what each record does in this video, but if you want to learn more, just click the link on screen or in the video description. Now, after you've decided which records you would like to check, let's head over to whatsmydns.net. You can click the link on screen or the one in the video description. Enter your domain name. To check name servers or A records, enter your domain in the search bar without www. For CNAME Records, use your domain with www. Select the record type from the drop-down menu and click Search. Let's take a look at what's on the screen. These are the servers where your DNS records have propagated. Next to them, you'll see the actual records. In this case, the A records from my example site I'm using for this video, and their current status. Green check marks mean the records have propagated, so everything is good. Red X's mean propagation isn't complete. This could happen if your records haven't propagated yet, there's a communication error, or the records don't match between whatsmydns.net and Wix. Match the results on whatsmydns.net to the value field in your Wix DNS records. If they match, your connection is correct. If they don't, update your DNS records in Wix with the correct values. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to update globally. If you see different results in different locations, that's normal. Just give it some time. If your site still hasn't propagated after 48 hours, visit the Wix Domain Assistant by clicking the link on screen or in the video description for more troubleshooting tips. To recap, we found your DNS records in Wix, verified them on whatsmydns.net, checked for propagation, and matched the results. Need more help? Visit the Wix Help Center for information about connecting domains, or explore our other tutorials to learn more about managing your domain. Thanks for watching.